Built on our versatile Enduro chassis, the new Ecto Portal 4x4 is the answer for tackling the roughest of terrains. This ready-to-run comes equipped with our all-new high-clearance portal axles. With almost an inch of axle clearance gained from the standard straight axles, getting over the toughest obstacles has never been easier. These axles come with all metal gears, a larger input bearing, and 6 screws to ensure the portal boxes don't flex under heavy loads. At the heart of the Enduro Ecto Portal 4x4 is our standard StealthX transmission with adjustable underdrive, ultra-smooth aluminum threaded shocks, heavy-duty steel links, General Grabber X3 tires, and Gold Method beadlock wheels. So charge up your battery and hit the rocks with the new Enduro Ecto Portal 4x4. Your journey begins here.